everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you shrimp pasta. I'm going to use this organic pasta. This is 500 gram. These are raw jumbo Argentine red easy peel tail on shrimp. It's 1 pound and these are frozen and these are wild caught from Argentina. Creamy Alfredo sauce, pink salt, black pepper, half teaspoon, chili flakes, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, garlic and olive oil. And let's start making our delicious shrimp pasta. I placed the pot on a burner. The water started to boil. Now we're going to open it. And this is how I prepare pasta. A half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon olive oil. I'll place the pasta inside. Give it stir. I'll place the cover. We're going to leave it open this much so it won't boil out. Place this on the back burner and we're going to start the gas. And on the front burner, bring the gas to medium. I'll add 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll add garlic. Mix it. Give like 10 seconds. This is good enough. I'll add shrimp. And these are raw shrimp. Mix it well. And we're going to cook them on medium gas. Once they start changing color, we're going to turn them over. On medium gas, cooking for 1 minute. As you see, shrimp started to change the color. So we're going to turn them over. After turning all the shrimps over, this is only 1 minute of cooking. Our shrimp is cooked 1 minute on one side. This is another minute. I will bring this one on the back burner. And we'll bring the pasta on the front burner and we can turn up the heat and you can see it on the back burner to medium. If we check right now, it just needs a couple more minutes. If we check right now, the pasta is already really tender. Now I'm going to bring this one on the back burner and we're going to start finishing up the shrimp. You don't have to do this one back and forth. This is the only reason because I wanted to show it to you how it looks. So I'll place this one on that burner and we'll bring this one on the back burner. Bring the gas to low and then on the front burner and we'll bring the gas to high. We'll add black pepper, salt and chili flakes. Mix them well. Our shrimp all ready. We'll add the sauce. We add some water inside and shake it well and put it inside. So mix it well. Look at the nice color from the shrimp. And now we'll turn off the gas on the back burner and we're going to drain the water. Bring the gas to medium. So I'll put the pot back. This is all drained pasta. And we'll bring the sauce right on top of it. We're going to mix it well. As you see, it starts bubbling. We're going to give a couple more minutes so that the sauce can blend in with pasta. As you see, the red shrimp pasta is all ready. The sauce is nice and bubbly. I got my serving platter. We're going to turn off the gas and I'll dish out. So tasty, delicious red shrimp pasta is all ready. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious red shrimp pasta is all ready and we're going to garnish with fresh parsley. And this is perfect and a mint, and top off with Parmesan cheese. And it looks super delicious. It's so tasty and delicious, mouth-watering shrimp pasta. Please try. Comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.